channel. Today I'm going to be cooking some spag bowl. So as I always do, I'm going to be showing you the ingredients that I like to use in my spag bowl. So we have some beef steak mince, 3 onions, some garlic, some mushrooms. So I'm going to go ahead, chop these up, and I'll be back in a minute. So now it's time to chop the garlic. I like to use about 7 cloves of garlic in my spag bowl. Mince by itself can be very bland. So I like to season my mince, which I'll show you what seasonings I use. And I like to put quite a lot of onion and garlic to give it some flavor. Yep. If you don't believe me, fry your mince out by itself and give it a taste to see what it tastes like. It tastes like tissue. Alright guys, so now I'm going to fry off my mince. I'm going to turn the heat on. When we fry out the mince, we want the heat to be quite high. So I'm going to go ahead, get some oil. So when I'm frying out mince and stuff like that, I like to use wooden spoons. So I'm going to put the mince in half. Straight into the mince. Move that around. A little bit more oil. Once this starts to fry down, we go ahead and put the rest in. So add the rest in now. So we're frying this mince off until it turns brown. And then once it turns brown, we can start putting our seasonings in. So we're gonna let this cook down for about 5 minutes, and it should be brown. We can start putting our seasonings in. Okay, so our mince is cooked down now. So we're gonna go ahead and start adding our seasonings. The first one I like to put in is the soy sauce. Salt. Be generous with seasonings. Mince is very bland, like I've said a few times already. Black pepper. Garlic powder. And lastly, garlic curd mince seasoning. And then mix it up. Give it a little taste test also. Smells great, smells great. Okay, I'm gonna get myself a little fork. Take a little time to get out. Give it a taste. Need more salt. More salt needs more everything. Now that we've got this flavour right, we're going to put it on the smaller burner. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to move it over to a smaller burner to a simmer. Medium heat. Move over. Now we're going to get all our vegetables, onions, garlic and mushrooms. Go straight in. It's looking like we need a bigger pot, but we're gonna have to make do. move those around. And then what we do is turn it right down. Okay, so now it's time for the sauce. Give it a shake. And just straight on with the sauce. And then what I do is, I want to get the excess out of this bottle. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get a little bit of water from the kettle, pour a little tiny bit inside of there, and my secret recipe is a little squeeze of ketchup also. So I'm just going to mix this sauce in. And once we mix the sauce in, we're going to put a lid on it and let it simmer down until the vegetables are softened nicely. You can make this on Monday. You can put it in the fridge, have it throughout the week. You can have it with pasta. You can have it with a baked potato. There's so much you can do with this. All right, so a little bit of boiled water, not too much because we don't want to make it too runny. Just enough to loosen up the sauce that's left in there. And then we'll cover that over and let it cook down. So again, mix that sauce in. So now we'll put a lid on that and let that cook down for about 20-25 minutes, and we'll be back to show you the end result. Okay, so today I'm gonna have some spaghetti. Very simple, you just boil it basically, but I do put a bit of oil in the water just to stop it from sticking. So I'm gonna put it, pass it in the pot, get my boiled water, pour the water onto the pasta to try to soften it up. Okay, so our pasta's starting to boil away now in the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and put some oil in there just to stop it from sticking together and sticking to the pot. Not a lot, just a bit of oil and some salt. Give it some flavour. Again, pasta is very bland, so we need to give it some salt, give it some flavour. And this will probably take about 10-15 minutes to cook. So all in all, let's say about 40 minutes to get the whole thing done. And that's it. Alright, so we're going to give it a little check, see how it's going. Lovely. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Give it a stir. And let it cook down for a few more minutes. But yes, it's flowing very, very well. It looks lovely. Onions, mushrooms are starting to soften up. Alright, so I think our pasta's ready, spaghetti should I say. So I'm going to go ahead and use a colander and drain it off. Turn it off. Come over to the sink. Pour it in there. Pretty sure it's ready. So take the lid off. Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Turn it off. A little stir. And that's that now. We're just going to get our plate and plate it up. Some pasta on the plate. So I've got some Parmesan cheese that I'm going to sprinkle over the top. I'm starving. And there you have it, spag bowl with some Parmesan cheese sprinkled over the top. Lovely. All right, guys, I enjoyed this one. Very, very, very nice. One of my favorite meals. Had that with some apple juice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.